Impact of social media on education. In today's world of connected learning, the impact of social media on education is becoming a driving factor. The world is getting smaller, and through the use of technology such as social media, the way we deliver instruction is changing. Social media and education can complement one another if utilized effectively. The technology referred to here really transpires just social media technologies such as Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. The technologies that allow these platforms to function are also one of the driving forces behind the impact of this technology on education. There are positive and adverse effects of social networking to students, and the jury is still out concerning the long-term effects of social media exposure may have. Social media and education are not historically allies, and many educators see social media as a deterrent to real learning. This is changing as the cloud-based nature of social media for collaborating on projects is growing into a pertinent and useful technology. Facebook has the ability to create rooms and video chat with invite